I am studying in 5th grade. Today my topic is photosynthesis. Hungry animals can go out hunting for their food, but plants cannot. Instead, they make their own food. Are the food factories where the light from the sun, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air all work together. A plant's process of making food is called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants use the sun's energy to make sugar, especially leaf structure called chloroplast. The pigment absorbs light energy from the sun. Light energy from the sun. This energy is used to combine water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air, all work together into sugar. The carbohydrates are then used and stored in plants for food. During this reaction, the oxygen is given off and released into the air. The stomata, small opening on the bottom side of the leaf. Thank you.